Tell the people what we're looking at this morning.
Yeah, we've been working on this over the last 12 hours or so, and we are now going to name the storm. This is going to be our third winter storm that is named for the year. This is Caesar. We're going to outline it right here. We've gone through Athena and Brutus, and now we are up to Caesar. And Eric, there's a number of reasons why we name these storms. We take a look at the impacts that they're going to cause, and they include these significant impacts due to snow or ice, disruptions to road and air travel. And with this storm, Eric, this is a little different than the last two. That combination of wind, snow, ice, and cold. The cold temperatures in there as well, the really bad wind chills that we're seeing across the area, blizzard conditions in open areas, that can be life-threatening as well.
We've already seen temperatures across the Dakotas going sub-zero this morning and wind chills much below that. So finally, we've got Arctic air, and really we haven't had that at all so far this winter.
That's correct, and that Arctic air is helping to fuel this system, and it's actually in two parts. We have in the upper Midwest, we have some activity actually going on in the Rockies as well.
All right, so what are we looking at right now this morning?
Well, if we take a look at where we are now, we can see on our radar right here the actual circulation with the upper low, and that's located right here. Eric, based on this and based on our satellite imagery, I think that we're going to begin to see this activity in here begin to fill in. We'll see snowfall through the first half of the day, certainly, probably on the increase in the Minneapolis area after a brief break this morning, and then that'll continue in through the rest of the afternoon.
What kind of totals are we looking at here, do you think?
Minneapolis area, wouldn't be surprised to see anywhere from 3 to 6 inches, and then tonight maybe a little bit more on the backside of this. Just north of Minneapolis, we're looking at some computer model runs now. I know you and I were talking about this. There could be a sweet spot in there with a foot of snow.